And why you are always against them? Yeah, they have the money, they have, because they choose this world. Yeah, you didn't choose this world. Then why you complain? You see, this is another which is manipulation which people didn't understand. So yourself also, if you have been choosing to live better in this world, then you should not even complain tomorrow. But now you say to choose to be in this world, that's wrong. Okay, that's wrong. But then why are you complaining? Because he choose that. You choose for tomorrow. You don't choose today. Then anything happen with you today, you are not accounting yourself to live today, how you can live better. So me, I think it's still, as I tell you, this we should think. We will discuss more about these leaders to up there, and we maybe make it with other program. And if any audience also listen, they have to think about these leaders. They help us how we can make this solution. Whether we have to fight against the one they are under here, because now it's two leaders having two groups in the earth. So whether now one group will against the other, what do you say, you call bad group, and you are good, but you are so shit because all your life is miserable. Okay, you are good, that's good, you know, you are righteous and good God's children, and but now you are so suffering down here. Okay, whether we will discuss and then we pray more. Our leader should make the other one fall. If you think that will solve the whole problem, then because now the way you say this have to fall before we rise up. So, but now to fall this, you see, that's another mistake, another, because confusion. Someone, if you tell you have to believe that this one have to fall, then this is the manipulation still which is in your mind, like the slave chain, I can say. But because the slave chain is...
you think that they just gonna allow it to fall? Don't you see that they working night and day to do anything they can do?
You see, but you don't do it. But the problem, you don't work day and night. You work day and night for tomorrow, to die tomorrow, which is something you don't know, you don't see. But you don't work day and night to how to live today.
I'm not talking about our people who's doing that. I'm talking about people who's gonna come out or who's struggling and who's waking up and see what's going on, who want us to unite and come together. Until more of us gonna be like that, revolutionary, and be more rebellious to this one government who's controlling us now.
But you see now what I was telling you before. Still, what I wanted to say. You see what I was telling you before. I say, like we say always, all over the world is when you talk about poor, they face to Africa. When you talk about an education, they face to Africa. When you talk about high tech and all this, you have to face to Europe, and because they are the one who more wake up, they are more educated, they are more this, that. And we know that's not true. Because God create every human, give you brain to think, and the mouth to talk. That's why we are talking now. These eyes you see, you don't. But the problem, as I told you, all our part, our eyes, our brain, and everything, we let it to someone control it. The eyes, you say, look for me, because I'm not see. Then he's the one gonna direct you. So if you to think, you say, think for me, because my brain is not working to think. Then you have to wait someone to think for you, write for you, tell you what to do. So then, end of the day, then who you are, then everything, as I tell you, you are dependent on the economical side, you are dependent on the knowledge side, you are dependent on everything.
Yeah, once you're living on
still I'm coming. And I told you the only thing we black we should do, not like to wake up now. We taking guns. We have to kill all those people before we can wake up. That's wrong. That's it. Just wait me. Just wait. Just wait. I finish. Just wait. I finish. Just wait. I finish. Just wait. I finish what I want to say. Then you can talk. That's wrong to think in that way. That if someone put that in your mind, for me, I will say bullshit. I go to hell, because that's not the way to fight it for you to get better in this art. That's not the way. The only way, I say, the black himself, they have to solve their own problem first before you go attack some other nation. You didn't fix your own problem. You didn't unite yourself. You didn't love each other yet. You didn't hold each other to make you stronger. How you can tell me now you're gonna fight a kingdom which they hold each other, they love each other, they help each other, they know everything they have to do together. How you can tell me someone to tell you go against that one? That's bullshit. So the reality is like the black in itself. If they want to wake up, if they want to be as a righteous, as you say, if they want to be stronger, if they want to fight against anything, themselves, they have to make it their own kingdom, to hold each other, to listen to each other, to understand each other, and then go from this kind of negative thinking all the time. Go from this kind of selfishness all the time. Go from this kind of greediness all the time. Go from this kind of wickedness against each other all the time. Go from this kind of and manipulating and then blackmailing each other all the time. Because this is full of the black people. And they have to rid of with all this if they will come to be something. Otherwise, we can talk here until our generation pass, our own children come also, they will be in the old shape. Why? Because that our own knowledge, our own thinking, we will learn our children again that they will go the same rules, what we was doing, they will live in that kind of thinking. So if we don't change, we cannot change even our own children. But my own belief that this is what I told you, we have to learn each other to understand these kind of things, and we have also to, that's the way we can teach our children, then also they can start to wake up and to grow up to understand these kind of things, loving each other. So as long as we don't do that, someone can preach you here until after your generation, next your generation he preach, the next generation preach, because that's what happens all the time. But nothing will solve. That's, you have to solve your own problem. Somebody cannot solve your problem.
Definitely.
So that's why now I pass to say these two governments is good to discuss about. All this to wake mind. Because we cannot just be there always someone preaching or say, is God, if God will, is this. How you, that's bullshit. It's not God will everything. But if you don't will, nothing will happen. So, and then this also, someone to be there to preach you, yeah, this is the evil there, is the Satan there, is this, go attack them, take a gun, and this fucking bullshit for me. Bullshit. I can say, shut up, because don't preach this, because this is the way you're eliminating your own people. The only thing you should do, you should know that two leaders up there, and those two leaders, you have to help yourself, whatever, which leaders there. If the Satan and God is up there, if God don't help you, but you have to help yourself. Because that is the confusion. That God helping all the time. But people, they don't understand how they can help themselves. And this is why I say to you again, we should not fight against those strong kingdoms who understand already. But we have to fight how to develop ourselves. Like you all had Africa, if today, if as I told you, if today, if like Africa, even like African people who are in Europe, if they can go back to Africa, you understand? And the African people who are there welcome them, because all this problem used to happen. Some who have been here have knowledge, maybe they want to go back to their country to do something. Even their own people can attack them, even their own people can blackmail them, their things destroyed. We discussed about that before.
Not only that too, at the same time, let's say, you know, the people, you know, our people suffering we who are living in the Europe country, let's say we are suffering here, the police killing us, and the Africa government have to stand up. But what happens if our own government is seeing this in the TV and it's not even standing up for its own people like that they know that we are black as them, but they're not saying nothing.
That's what I say.
That's to tell you
that is too far. That's what you say. Even it's too heavy. Me, I think even the little things we are not solving yet. That's why I'm telling you. Even the little things we are not solving yet.
But this,
because if like African people go from Europe, because you see the Europe how you suffer, and at least you have experience now, and you want to go to your country, you want to build something. You understand? The other African people who are in Africa, they should not now come see how you can fall down. Because you're talking folly. It's our own people, we are making us against our own self. Because otherwise, for me, it's like the African people, if they go there back from Europe now, because you see how you have been suffering, how you've been treated, and you understand the life, but now you want to go, now maybe do something in your own country where you come from. I think those people who also live there, they should understand that welcome you, but all that making it, when we understood the uniting, because the uniting, I say, we have to understand the meaning of unite. Then it's the time we will understand how to unite. You understand? Yes. If we don't understand it, the meaning of, we cannot even make it. True. You have to have the theory, then you make it practically, you see. So, and all that, even that little problem, I'm telling you, we have a problem. I have seen many people, even not like the people who can be here, send money, build the house for me. Not even that is nothing. Many people have been sending money to your own people, which you think this can be good. And if one person is here, he's sending money, say, build a house for me, building or make a business for me. So I mean, if they was smart, so then if it was not this ignorance, they will take this with 2 hands and then make this to develop. Because what will happen, the way you have the heart that you think that you can share something with them. But what will happen, they will eat this, they eliminate, they destroy everything. And what will happen in the end, you are loser, they are loser. And this kind of the small thing, even that small thing, we cannot even solve that problem. That's why I say don't come about to like this government, what they do. Because if we even the little things like a family, we cannot solve our problem, then you can see how much problem we blacks especially have. You understand? So, and apart from there, I told you about this education also is very low. The understanding is very low. The ignorance is too much. You understand? And then that's why now the religion also come eliminate us in other way, because it's making us to think, and we have to go fight against other instead to fight for us and to be together. We cannot fight to be together, and we cannot be able to do that. We are not capable. We are not qualified to fight to unite us. And this should not be even a fight. This should be understanding. But we don't have the understanding. So if we have it, then that's what we have to start first, to unite. Because what I'm trying to unite again, like if I send money like from Europe to Africa to build something there, that is part of uniting. Because then this one who you trust to do that, with all your heart, you trust that person to do that. If that one, if it was the understanding, if he build this, it just will be benefit not even only you and him or her. It will be benefit for the whole country. This is the way you develop. But even all this, we eliminate that, the little thing. How then you can expect a big things will come? You know? Life is like, as I tell you, like you plant a fruit, a seed, then then it can grow up and you be tree before you get a lot of fruit. You understand? But when you plant and then the tree, when it starts growing, every time when you grow, you cut it. Every time when you grow, you cut it, then you will never have a fruit. This is what I'm trying to say. It's like among us. We have to unite, we have to do.
What if the city is affected? Then everybody's going to be affected.
Yeah, but...
so this is what I'm trying to say, that's how this first government is working.
Yeah, but
even our own evil ways is because we are affected under the first government.
You see. Then like when you talk about our own government, think that it's not a white people talk about. You talk about your own black people, right?
Yeah, but.
So this
we are affected under his under his rulership. That's why we are affected.
Yeah, exactly.
Because it's a wicked sin.
Yeah, exactly. Because we have to take that kind of attitude from our heart.
Yeah, that's the
genetics. We have to take it from our heart. That's why we are starting. As I say, we have to unite, and we have to. That's why I told you we have to know the meaning of unite. The meaning of unite is you should think this is benefit for both for you and me. And this is the concept of to be strong. This is the form of building to have nation, strong nation. And this is the way building of your own kingdom. This is the way you can protect yourself again.
True.
But only one, and the other one, like, you know, we say the one who prays, when it's majority pressing, that, then we can never, only you, me too, we cannot lift these things.
True.
We have to be together to lift it something. We have to be together to build a nation. You see, Bob Marley even tell that. He said to build a nation, or this is a Lucky Dube. He said to build a nation take you 100 years, but to destroy that nation, it takes just one stupid one and one in one day to destroy it. This kind of thing. This is a prophecy. But sometimes, you know, if you want to listen to those kind of, I can call them prophets. You see, like Lucky Dube, why they have to kill a lot of these artists, why they kill Bob Marley, why they kill all that. So this is what we are giving. This also is a prophecy too. So, but it's not easy people to understand me. And so even they hear it and they understand by that time, yeah, this is the reality. But now, the question whether they will do it. So, and the question why they cannot do it, because of still the understanding have to be there. This ignorance, you know, we have to rid off with it. So, well, but we bring another, because we have to continue about the government here. Two leaders. I was asking you if they are on the ground or they are on the sky somewhere in the, I don't know. But
I mean,
two leaders, you have to talk.
They are all in this act, you know what I mean? But one is gonna rise up, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
And then
so you have something to say more into the audience, because as he is like you are a little bit
yeah, you know what I mean? So it's like, you know, maybe just try to, I don't know how you feel, because I'm full right now.
Yeah. You are full now right now.
Yeah.
Yeah, about the main discussion or not?
Exactly.
Yeah, okay. For me, what I can say, the audience, I mean, thank you very much for listening. And when you subscribe, you know, every time when we release, you will get it. And at the same time, you know, we can help, because as you had with us, this is the way we have to do, especially we, you know, black people. So, and this is the way we have to be together. We have to work together. We have to unite. This is the only way to fight for our rights. This is the only way to fight to our right also to live in this earth as a human, and, you know, to help ourselves. This is the only way. And yeah, you see, and also that's why it's good we try to subscribe, and then any other opinion also. This is it's opinion. It's open discussion channel. So yeah, everyone who you have anything to add on this, you are welcome. And then we thank you once more, and then God bless everybody, and yeah, one love and one heart. Yes, sir.
And make sure you always tune into the show too, you know, and subscribe to it, because we really appreciate it, and it helps us to build this world and what we're doing. You know, we try to open minds, you understand me? So y'all tune into the show, Life Melody all the time, Believer.
Yes, sir. Life Melody.
Appreciate you, sir.
Appreciate that. This one love, and this unite. You have to.
You have to always.
That's we have to fight for, not to fight against some people, but we fight how to can we unite us.
Most definitely.
Yes, sir. Thank you.